today we, Mamata Banerjee, went to that place, and before, when we were going on the road, on nearly 1 hour we were struck by creating a artificial traffic jam. Anyway, when we reached there, that point of time, the BJP peoples were throwing big stones to the into the car itself, and continuously these stones were thrown. And then and Didi was about to be very much assaulted, and stones were targeted to Mamata itself.
Was it a
And
painful
please, will you kindly allow me to speak? So many persons are there, nobody is asking question. All of a sudden you started to question. Please. Then the stones were being thrown and attacked her, and the entire car, there was not a single second was stopped that stones were not thrown. Every moment stones were thrown, targeting to assault Mamata Banerjee. The glasses were up, otherwise the stones were coming to her head itself, and it would have been a serious consequences. This was made with a target to Mamata Banerjee to assault and to kill her. It's an attempt to murder case. 100 BJP workers were there, and police was remaining silent spectator, absolutely silent spectator. Of course, that was the direction was given by the CM Subhendu Adhikari. And thereafter, when she went there, previously, just earlier, half an hour ago, we had a talk with the councillor, Jemi Sharma. We had a talk with her, but that point of time, she was not allowed to speak at all. She was not allowed to speak with Mamata, and their family members had a talk. We have understood the position that the tremendous pressures of the BJP local MLA was there, and this local MLA BJP, he threatened that a third degree should be given to everyone, and that is Sudipto Das. And that video has come to public view. All we have seen that, everyone we have seen that. It's a place where the BJP is targeting, police is remaining completely silent, attempt to murder to Mamata Banerjee herself. This is a clear case of that. We will not stop here. We will go, we will look into the matter, and we will take appropriate legal steps in the matter. If required for custodial death, we will go up to Supreme Court. There is no doubt about it. Number two, Shomik Bhattacharya, what he is saying, he is trying to dilute everything. He is trying to do it. But he doesn't know, his workers doesn't hear him. Why he is sitting as a BJP president? Not a single worker is hearing him. All ruffians are being controlled by the Subhendu Adhikari CM. BJP Halla Party, BJP Gunda, BJP Chor, BJP Dakat, all are controlled by the Subhendu Adhikari. Only Shomik Bhattacharya is at a showpiece as president. His words never heard by any BJP workers, that we know, and BJP is ruining the law and order situation of the West Bengal. Bolun, ki question ache?